students, welcome to Study Zest, the world of educational solutions. In today's class, we will be looking into some very important rules of using pronouns in sentences. In the previous class, I was discussing about the different kinds of pronouns, and in today's class, we will be seeing how different rules are there, how many rules are there for pronouns as we use in sentences and in speech. Okay, but before moving on to today's class, I would like to remind you of the social media platforms through which you can connect with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, join our Telegram channel using this link given here, follow us on Instagram, join our WhatsApp group using this number, and for more information you can log into this website. You can also get our app on Google Play. It's free for downloading. Download it to get more information about your different kinds of subjects. You can also get lecture notes, live lectures and solved question papers there. This is how our YouTube channel looks like. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and like us on Facebook page, which looks like this. Now let us delve into today's class. The first rule that we have here is that who is used to ask about the subject and whom is used to ask about the object. Okay, remember this, that we know in interrogative pronouns we have who and we also have whom. So which is used where? Who is used for subject, who is used for subject and whom is used for object. For example, who won the dance competition? Whom have you asked about the competition? Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership of something. For example, whose bike is this? Which is used when there is a restricted range of answers. What is used more commonly when the range of answer is not restricted. For example, which is the currency of Japan? What is the currency of Japan? This is the correct form of sentence. When you know the answer, there is only one or two answer, then only you can use what. What is the currency of Japan? What is your name? What is your favorite movie? Okay. Next we have rule number 2. When there are two person or thing, then to denote choice, we use either of and neither of. For example, neither of you is good in solving puzzles. Either of these two men is the owner of a bakery shop. So এখানে আমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে যখনই দুটো পারসন বা দুটো মানুষের মধ্যে চয়েসের কথা বলা হচ্ছে তখন কি হচ্ছে neither of you, either of you এইগুলো ইউজ করা হয়ে থাকে. Always use a singular verb with either of, neither of, any of, irrespective of the subject. Singular verb is used. Like, neither of you is good enough. Either of these two men is the owner of the bakery shop. Rule number 3. When there are all the three persons or 2 out of 3 persons coming in a single sentence which indicates a positive sentence, then order of arrangement of pronouns should be second person, third person, then first person. For example, মানে কোনো সেন্টেন্সে যদি তিনটেই থাকে, ফার্স্ট পারসন, সেকেন্ড পারসন, থার্ড পারসন, তাহলে লজিক্যালি আমি সেটাকে সাজাবো কি করে? প্রথমে সেকেন্ড পারসন আসবে, তারপর থার্ড পারসন, তারপরে ফার্স্ট পারসন. ফর এক্সাম্পল, you, he and I have decided to go to Missouri. You and Ria have done a great job. He and I are working hard to score good marks. But if a sentence has negative sense, then the order of arrangement should be first person, second person, third person. I, you and he are responsible for the mishappening. You and he have to do this work urgently. So just you have to remember that either the sentence would be in positive sense where we have second person, third person, first person, and if the sentence is in negative format, then the logical arrangement of the pronouns would be first person, second person, then third person. Rule number 4. After let, we always use objective case of pronoun. Objective case means let them go. We know in object, when a pronoun is used as object, they becomes them. After than, we always use nominative or subjective case of pronoun. For example, Ria is more intelligent than her. This is incorrect. What is the correct version? Ria is more intelligent than she. This is the correct version. After if, we always use the subjective case of pronoun. If I were her, I would have run the marathon. Incorrect. If I were she, I would have run the marathon. Rule number 5. Both, few, some and many are always used as plural. Both means দুজনে, few means কিছু কিছু, some মানেও কিছু। তো যখনই আমরা both, few, some, many ইউজ করছি তখন plural verb ইউজ হবে। For example, both of you have to finish it soon. Some of my friends are going to the party. Are. You have to finish it. Both of you have. It's a plural form. Have to finish it soon. Any and all are used as singular as well as plural. All of the students are going to the picnic. All we see is not true. Rule number 6. Reflexive pronouns are used when both the subject and the object of a verb are the same person or thing. For example, there is a sentence, Ria pinched. This is incomplete as it does not say anything about the person who has been pinched. Kake pinch koreche. Pinch kothata mane hocche chimti kata. So if I say Ria pinched, the sentence is incomplete as we do not know who got pinched. And if we say Ria pinched Ria, then there will be a repetition of the word Ria, creating confusion as of whether it is the same person or different. So what do we write? We write reflexive pronouns. Ria pinched herself. My brother and myself did it. This is incorrect. My brother and I did it. The object myself is the same person and the subject is I. Next we have rule number 7. Singular pronouns like I, he, she, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, etc. go with singular verbs. Like each of the girl is pretty. Either of us is responsible for this work. Neither of them is capable enough to carry out this work. Rule number 8. Singular pronouns must remain singular throughout the complete sentence. For example, if I say someone has to take responsibility and have to fulfill it well or fulfill it well, this is incorrect. Someone has to take responsibility and has to fulfill it well. This is the correct answer. Rule number 9. If two identical parts of speech are connected with either or, neither, nor, not only, then we use the verb and pronoun according to the nearest subject. Like neither Raman nor his friends were enjoying the party. This is the correct form. Possessive pronouns his, her, its, ours, yours, theirs, whose never take apostrophe. There will be never an apostrophe. Like yours truly is grammatically incorrect. Yours truly is the correct words to use. So if I give here an apostrophe, yours truly is grammatically incorrect. Yours truly without an apostrophe is the correct use of the phrase. So yeah, that was it. That was some rules of the pronouns that we have to follow. It is completely based on practice. The more you practice, the more you will get hold of the pronoun. So that was the pronouns chapter for today. Thank you for joining us in today's class, and hope to see you in the next class. Thank you and goodbye.